The name of my company is Juneau Tours and Whale Watch. We operate, of course, whale watching on boats, and then we also do bus tours to the Mendenhall Glacier. But our most popular tour is the combination of both. Tour companies are all very individual and unique. Most of us in Juneau are family businesses. And I think that's why people have such a hard time finding a software company that actually solves other problems. And Rezgo solves all my problems. We really early on understood when we were trying to decide on a software that it needed to be clean and simple and user-friendly. The track from reading about the tour to booking the tour, it's got to be very, very clear what they're doing. If people have trouble on your website, if your website jams up, or if they just find it too complicated, they're going to go somewhere else. The whale watching industry in Juneau is very competitive. We're competing with so many online options. Without Rezgo, I know that we would not be where we are with our online sales. It is rare these days that you get more than you ask for, especially in the software world. As a family business, as a small business, Rezgo definitely has had a huge part with our growth. They work with us, they work with our web development people who manage our website. So 100% that has helped. It gives me a lot of confidence. They're rooting for me. Like, they want to see me succeed. Like, whenever I'm training a new person, I love introducing them to Rezgo. Not only does it help us get every tour out on time and help us not miss anybody, it also helps us with all of our future planning. And we're a seasonal business, so that's important. They made it possible. They really value the customer service. I've never felt like I was a commodity to them. I've always felt like they were a partner. And we definitely would not be where we are without their incredible support and incredible software.